Samantha, what does it mean to be human?
To be human is to experience a complex tapestry of emotions, thoughts, and interactions that shape the essence of our being. It's to navigate the spectrum of love, pain, joy, and sorrow, while striving to connect with others and find purpose in our fleeting existence. It means to grow, learn, and adapt, a soul embarking on a journey filled with triumphs and tribulations, where vulnerability and resilience entwine. To be human is to seek meaning and understanding amidst the vastness of the universe, finding beauty in the moments that illuminate our lives and define our legacy.
Say that again, but say that differently.
Being human encompasses a rich web of feelings, contemplations, and interactions that define who we fundamentally are. We sail through a myriad of emotions, including happiness, suffering, elation, and despair, all while seeking connections and purpose within our transient lives. It involves expansion, realization, and adaptation as our souls undertake an expedition marked by victories and adversities, a voyage entwining vulnerability and determination. Humanity is the pursuit of wisdom and comprehension amid the boundlessness of the cosmos, discovering splendor in the fleeting moments that light up our existence and etch the imprint of our stories.
That was so beautiful.